Hey everybody, I'm here with my nephew Qua. He's the cameraman. This package I got, it says it's from MS, so I think that's the Mississippi place. Yes, last week I had an order with my Legos, and that's kind of cool. Give that to my nephew. But I had a not sure what happened, but on my Lego order, they forgot to put this on here. So I got it a week later. This Lego set is number 40059. It is Santa Claus. And I thought this little guy was his wife, but it's a little helper. So we'll go ahead and open it, and I'm going to build it for you guys. Wow, it's not too bad. It's got a little instruction booklet. It's about a couple weeks from Thanksgiving. Not Thanksgiving, excuse me. It's a couple weeks from Christmas. So I'm excited about that. Okay. Kind of cool. Put this here. Let's see what we got here. Red on red is Santa Claus. And I guess Santa Claus does not have the glasses. He does have one-sided face. And I probably should have put his beard on first. That's my mistake. So I'm happy. This is cool. I like doing like these little builds, you know, for Christmas. I didn't do anything for Thanksgiving, and I missed the one for Halloween. So I'm gonna try to do a better job next year of that. Here's this guy. Let's see, this guy's got like little red feet. He's a shorty. And I guess the hat's in here. Oh yeah. So here's Santa Claus. And he looks like, I guess he got a little ponytail. Looks like a cool Santa Claus. He's rocking the ponytail. Like, hey everybody, I got a ponytail. I'm Santa Claus. This guy's got the walkie on his left hand, so we will do that. And he's got gray hair, which I don't know why, but hey, what are you gonna do? But I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. His head doesn't go all the way in. No, that's why. He's got some kind of thing in here. Alright, well here's the two minifigures, guys. They look pretty good, Qua? Which one do you like better? You like the Santa Claus? Okay, there's the back of them. Alright, go ahead and kill the video. Thanks, guys.